And there's no aspect, no facet, no moment of life that can't be improved with pizza. Thank you.
I already know that I have to get some ice cream. This is my favorite ice cream right now. Dio mio. It's so good. The first time I tasted it, it was in New York and they were giving it out for free. Can you focus? Okay, so I got everything, including some meat for burgers and stuff. I think the last thing that I need is some cookies. Oh my god, and some cheese. Now, there are other things I'm going to add in there. I'm going to add in these Olive Garden croutons, and I'm also going to add in some Parmesan, but I'm not going to add these in until the morning, right before I hand the salad off. And I'm also going to add in some Olive Garden salad dressing because this is my favorite, and it's going to taste so good. But for now, I'm just going to leave these on top like that so that the ingredients don't make a ton of the leaves soggy, if that makes sense, because you know the cucumber and stuff. But there's that. So I'm just gonna press it down for now, and yeah, just like that. But there's that for the salad. If I remember to film this, I will show y'all what it looks like in the morning. So nowadays I get up at 7:30. Honestly, right now I literally just want to lay down, like I really just want to lay down. I have 2 videos to edit, and I really need to make my lunch, but I always do that at the last minute. But it's been really, really cloudy, and it's raining and stuff. So lately I just have not been in the mood to do my makeup. Not really. Yesterday I did my makeup, and as I was doing it, it just came out so weird looking to me. Everything that I did, it just wasn't right. And so I finished it and I filmed the look, but I was just, at the end, I was like, is this a cute look or no? Yeah, anyway, so I just finished reading the daily text. So I'm probably going to sit here for another 30 minutes or so. I got this package from Culture Hijab. I ordered, that's where I get my scarves and stuff from. And it is so cute. It always comes so cute. Like the packaging, so cute. I love this. It's earth friendly. You've got a little rope dope. I was going to haul this in a video, and I might still do it, and I'll just refer back to this video. But I got a crossover underscarf, which I am so excited about. You have no idea. Because, I mean, I don't know if these already exist. They probably do. But if you don't already have one, you'd literally have to style your scarf to cross over like this. And it's hot where I live, so I can't just be layering on fabric, and then also it just makes my head look really, really big, and my head is really, really big. So then I got a beautiful New Jersey scarf. Not New Jersey, but like a brand new Jersey scarf. And it's basically the same fabric as this one that I'm wearing right now. And I'm just wearing this on my head because I got twists in my head, and I wasn't supposed to get on camera and let y'all see my twists. Like, that wasn't about to happen. So excited. I'm probably gonna wear this today because I want to see how it looks, etc., etc. I'm gonna relax. Tulip, are you gonna relax? Are you gonna relax? Say, I'm already relaxing. I gotta go. Say bye-bye. So I'm finally off work. Yay! And I got this cool box from Dive Cosmetics, which I'm really excited about. It's got some good stuff. And I got a new photo for my collage turn up. So yeah. Okay, so right now I'm about to go get some tacos because it's Tuesday. Choji wants to get some tacos with his mom. So I don't know if I'll be vlogging, but yeah.
Actually had it envisioned when
cooking. She never cooks.
Hold on, they were looking at that cruise. Get us to keep the car with the rod in it. Some of they was gonna fix it. No, you're not gonna fix no thrown rod.
Cooking. She don't never cook. Ever.
Prison.
Ever.
So but anyway, it's I had a pilot, and I guess that's just what I want that kind of space.
You want some chicken?
Even
Okay. So I just got home from TNT and it was good. It was good. As you can see, my lipstick is gone. But yeah, it was really, really good. I'm super duper full and I need to clean my room and wash my face. But yeah, so I guess you know what? I really like the makeup from today. It's super duper simple. I'm still wearing the same amount of makeup that I normally wear, but I like it. It's cute, you know? And it really emphasizes the natural shape of my eye, you know, natural beauty, like people be saying. So, anywho, I'm going to clean my room, edit a video, upload that video, and bathe because I stink from being in the restaurant. So I decided to start vlogging with my phone because my camera, don't mind that I haven't finished. My camera, I don't have a memory card that lasts long enough and I can't see myself. So yeah, I just finished filming, doing my makeup using the, Sam Marcel Paris highlighting palette, and then the new Juno & Co sponge and their new palette. So I'm on my way to work as usual, and let me show you guys my outfit. And this is my outfit. It's just a skirt, shirt, scarves, you know. Anywho, I'm gonna go to work and I am going to, actually I need some food. And I need to make myself some food. Croutons, spring mix, chicken, and an avocado, if they're ripe. I think they are. Hey, did you use the bathroom? Come on, I gotta go. She does this thing where, like, watch. I'm gonna walk up and she's gonna roll into the ground. Like, pick me up. Oh my goodness, you are showing your hiney today. Let's go in the house. Yep. This is what I deal with every morning. The shenanigans. And now she's just standing here. She won't go in the house. Scoot. We will go outside when I come back home, okay? Bye-bye. He's like, okay, whatever. So I'm finally at work. I just took a bunch of selfies because I got to get my makeup shots in, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I should be getting off at 5 as usual. I'm feeling really sluggish and like tired, and I think it's because I keep anticipating my period, which normally I wouldn't, but I have an app. I think it's called the Flow app or something like that, and it's supposed to not predict it for me, but just track it and tell me when it's supposed to start. So whenever it's not right, I'm just sitting there waiting like, when is it coming, you know? It's just really annoying. Hi, you guys. Okay, so I am finally off of work. I'm gonna go home and I'm going to relax. I'm gonna try to relax because that's something that I haven't done, I feel like, in forever. I feel like I've just been going and going and going and going, and I'm so tired. Like, I've been taking care of stuff and working and worrying, and so there goes, there we go. That's the lighting. Yes. That's complimentary. But yeah, so I feel like I've been running. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Bye. That's Christy. We work together. But yeah, so I'm gonna go home. One thing I absolutely love about getting off work at 5 is traffic. Oh my god. Traffic is so great. It's so amazing. Like, I just sit here for an hour and wait to get to my house. It's fantastic. And I waste gas. I waste so much gas. It's great. And people don't know how to drive, so I risk my life as well, you know, trying to look out for folks who don't know how to use their turn signals. It's great. Okay, so right now I'm just about to make some burgers because your girl is hungry. So I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. I love parsley. I know most of the time people put it on chicken, but I love it on turkey too. And then, because I am lazy, I'm going to take some of this Mrs. Dash. It's salt free, so it's good for you if you don't have or don't want high blood pressure. And ooh, you really do only need a dash, but I'm gonna add some more. I really love the taste and smell of paprika. So oh my god, like these giant holes. Who puts these giant holes? Anyway, I love the smell and taste of that. And then because I want my burger to be a little spicy, sis, I'm going to add some crushed red pepper. Now, mind you, these are dried peppers. So once you add the moisture from the meat and stuff to them, it's going to be spicy. Okay. So basically what I do with this is I just mush it up with my hands usually. And what I like to do is just grab a palmful of it and then I'll roll it together like this. Roll it together into a nice little ball. And I'll make a patty just by squishing it. It doesn't have to be pretty. I mean, unless you're just one of those people who cares. but you wanted to get it pretty even all the way across the patty so that no part is too skinny or too small, so that it cooks evenly. And I will put these in freezer safe bags and freeze them. And whenever I get hungry and I don't feel like cooking, I'll just pull one out of the freezer, pop it in the oven, and I got a burger. And also you want to remember that what you see in your hand is going to be a little bit smaller when you pull it out the oven. So if you want a bigger burger, you want to make your patty a little bit bigger than your hand, I guess. Bigger than you actually want it to be. Not too much, but just a little bit, because it's going to shrink when it cooks, because that's what meat does, it shrinks. Then I just put it in a pan with some foil. Just pick them up and stick them in there just like a sandwich. So my camera died, but that's what my burger wound up looking like, just in case it cut out early. There's provolone, arugula, spinach, all kind of stuff, and pickles, extra pickles. And then this is my mom's. Hers does not have bread. So I'm coming outside in my backyard real quick to take some selfies, because I just remembered there's this little spot. I just remembered there's this little spot where tulip barks, and there's like a ton of sunshine and soft grass. And it's right here. So I'm going to take my pictures right there. It's just light from the sun setting reflecting off of a window in my house and onto the gate. So I'm going to sit right in front of it. Look at how cool this looks. Isn't that amazing?